each other. If anyone has any questions for me, put them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, all that crap. And liking the videos helps the YouTube algorithm, helps support. And I believe through my YouTube channel, you can gain access to my Discord, my Patreon, as well as my Twitch. I'm trying to stretch my fingers out into every network that I can. Okay, so this is the Magistrate Courthouse. This bland looking building. The Magistrate Courthouse. A very bland building. And then that's the DMV. We'll be going over there after we observe the Magistrate Courthouse. Oh, pardon my Bovinian tongue. However, we're going to cross at the intersections because we don't want people accusing us of racist walking. That's right, folks. Jaywalking was a derogatory term developed when automotive transportation was creating hazards for pedestrians, so they created walking laws. The term jaywalking was derived by hillbilly walking. I am not a hillbilly, so I cannot possibly jaywalk. I do not accept those derogatory and unsubstantial. There's several words I could use to describe the invalidity of that law and how unconstitutional it is. Okay, so this is the Magistrate Courthouse, and they have zero signage up. Enter only. J. Bronson Moore, Quay County Magistrate Court. No signage at all. That's the entrance right there. Okay, so now we're going to go to the DMV. Nobody's gonna accuse me of hillbilly walking. I thought I saw someone in there. Nope, it was just reflections of the sandbags there. Silly reflections. Okay, DMV. Now, as far as for the DMV, I've been having some personal issues with them. Since October of last year, I have been trying my damnedest to get an appointment to renew my driver's license. They tell you to do it online. I've tried that. To no success. They say you can set up an appointment or renew online. I've tried that again. To no success. There's a 1-800 number you can call to set up an appointment. Nobody answers. And when they do, I'm placed on indefinite hold. The signs up here on the door say you need to have a reference number for an appointment because it's an appointment walk-in only. But this is a government building. They cannot close the doors to the public from walk-in. You see this, people? You see this, people? Okay. By arriving at our office, you are asserting, or in the testing, that you do not have the following COVID-related symptoms: fever, chills, temperature of 100.4, shortness of breath, cough, sore throat, congestion, runny nose. And see, now, it gives you the ability to MVD offices are assisting customers only on an appointment basis only. If you have a scheduled appointment, please check in the valid link in the email text. Hi, how you doing?
Good, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm curious, how can I set up an appointment if I haven't got the ability to do it online? I do not have the ability to phone call, and the offices are closed. Am I able to schedule an appointment
We can schedule an appointment
in
for
person?
you.
Please, I've been trying since October of last
Okay.
year.
So what name, and you don't have a number, a phone number, or do you have
No,
an email address?
I don't have anything. See, I just recently got a job, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they paid me in check. And I can't cash a check because I don't have a bank account. I can't get a bank account without the ID, and I can't pay for the ID without having cashed the check.
So on the ID, is that what you're trying to get?
I'm trying to get a new driver's license. I'm trying to get it renewed.
Do you have a driver's license now?
Yeah, but it's
Out of where?
expired.
Oh, out of where?
Oh,
How long has it been expired?
since October of last year, here out of New Mexico.
Okay, so it's still within the year, so.
Yeah.
You would need that and 2 forms of residency.
2 forms of residency? That would
Like
be
a-
like a ISD
Yes.
and a lease agreement or a check stub?
Yes,
Would a check stub also work?
yes.
Okay.
As
So,
long as it has your address on there, dated within 60 days.
and that's just for regular renewal of a non-federal ID?
Yes.
Now, for me to get the real ID, what would I require?
Birth certificate, social security card, and 2 proofs of residency.
Okay, so I have all of that information. Would we be able to schedule an appointment for me here with this interaction? And I could get
But
a...
let me get it, because I have to get your email, because we're already closed, but let me get
Yes,
that.
awesome, thank you. Okay, folks. She seems to be very helpful. And for anybody who has the ability to do it online, let me give you this information here. Come on, focus. 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 My name. Okay, folks, she got my name and my email address so that she is going to go and set up an appointment for me, and it is going to be in the evening time. Fantastic. I am going to get this public servant's name and commend her and broadcast her accommodations across the internet. She has been very helpful. I'm quite satisfied that she is not frightened by the camera. See, I have all of the requirements. Those resources, for some reason, I've been having such a difficulty getting through the channels that they've been offering. So, it won't focus. It won't focus. I don't know why it won't focus. I don't have autofocus. So let me read it. No spaces. mvd.appointment.trd.state.nm.us. For anyone who has the ability to do it, there it is. Okay. I'm getting all kinds of stuff accomplished today. Awesome. Thank you
There's
so
yours.
much.
There's your appointment date, and we had to use our work number because you didn't have a number, and it
Yes.
requires both.
Awesome.
Here's the stuff for the standard, what you'll need, and here's for the real ID.
Awesome. Thank you. And can I ask what your name is?
Delmarie.
Delmarie? Thank you so much. I'm Yadid. Have a great day. All right, folks. We've got all of the stuff we need. She even used the local DMV phone number because apparently it's required for me to have an appointment. I need a phone number. I don't have a phone, but it's required for me to get an appointment. So she used the local DMV phone number to help me out. What an amazing public servant. I'm so happy with her. Thank you. See, here's our office. Just like the rest of Tucumcari, it's really small. Not a lot going on, just really small. But I'm so satisfied. What a wonderful experience. What a wonderful experience. Now that is what it looks like when a public servant accommodates the people. That's what it looks like. Now, I've gotten some business taken care of. I am excessively satisfied at how that went. That is exactly how public servants are supposed to behave. They accommodate the people of the public because that is their job. They don't give them the runaround. They don't beat around the bush. They accept the fact that they have a job, and their job is to serve the public. I am extremely satisfied with my service today.